Most developers building AI agents, complex workflows, or RAG systems don't realize this. The reason their models hallucinate, forget context, or fail to understand relationships in their data isn't because the model is weak. It's because the data layer under that model is fundamentally broken. Vector databases flatten information into isolated points, destroying the structure that gives data true meaning. But what if there was a graph database built specifically for generative AI? One that preserves relationships, scales across thousands of graphs, stores agentic memory efficiently, stays lightning fast, and is open source? That's exactly what FalkorDB is built for. What makes FalkorDB different? FalkorDB is an ultra-fast multi-tenant graph database designed from the ground up for generative AI, GraphRAG, and agentic workflows. Unlike traditional graph databases built for generic use cases, FalkorDB is optimized specifically for building intelligent systems that understand relationships, store long-term memory, and retrieve complex structured knowledge with high accuracy. It uses a Redis module architecture, giving it extreme speed, low latency, and the ability to scale linearly across massive datasets. And the best part? FalkorDB is open source, with enterprise-grade multi-tenancy available across all tiers, something that none of the major competitors offer. Why graph vector for RAG? The accuracy advantage. One of the biggest misconceptions in the AI world is that VectorRAG is good enough. But here's the truth. Vectors lose structure. Once data is embedded, the inherent relationships disappear. Parent-child relationships, causal chains, references, dependencies, timelines, hierarchies, all gone. GraphRAG solves this problem because a graph preserves the real structure of your data. It keeps relationships intact, allowing your AI systems to retrieve information that's not only relevant but also contextually accurate, logically grounded, and interconnected. That's why GraphRAG consistently outperforms VectorRAG in accuracy, explainability, and multi-hop reasoning. FalkorDB amplifies this advantage by providing ultra-fast traversal, multi-graph isolation, and a high-performance engine built for agentic workloads. FalkorDB Core Feature Overview. Multi-graph/multi-tenancy at all tiers. FalkorDB supports over 10,000 isolated graphs in a single instance, making it possible to run multiple datasets, agents, or applications without interference. Because multi-tenancy is available across all tiers, developers are never forced into enterprise pricing to access essential scalability. Ideal for long-term agent memory. Modern AI agents need structured, persistent memory. FalkorDB enables storage of user-specific data, preferences, conversation history, goals, plans, and cross-agent interactions as connected graph structures. This gives agents context, continuity, and the ability to reason beyond short-lived interactions. Linear scalability. FalkorDB offers true linear scalability. As your dataset grows or your number of users increases, you can simply add more resources and the system scales without performance degradation. This is crucial for AI workloads where data expands rapidly and retrieval latency must remain extremely low. Built for agentic memory. Modern AI agents need memory, not just text logs, but structured long-term memory that reflects how concepts connect over time. FalkorDB functions as a perfect agentic memory store, allowing agents to build, update, and traverse knowledge graphs representing user preferences, conversation history, long-term tasks, intent chains, multi-agent interactions, semantic relationships. This allows agents to behave more consistently, reason more effectively, and maintain persistent understanding over long sessions. Optimized for GraphRAG. FalkorDB is optimized for GraphRAG pipelines that require multi-hop reasoning and precise retrieval. Developers can blend embeddings with graph structure to create retrieval systems that understand contextual and relational meaning. Redis-based architecture. Because FalkorDB is a Redis module, it inherits Redis's performance profile: in-memory speed, simple deployment, extremely low latency, and tight resource control. This makes it significantly faster than traditional graph databases and dramatically easier to deploy across clouds and local environments. Open source with enterprise features. FalkorDB is fully open source, and unlike most databases that lock important features behind paid plans, FalkorDB includes enterprise-grade capabilities, including multi-tenancy, even on the free tier. This gives developers full flexibility without pushing them into paid plans prematurely. Deployment options. Flexibility for any environment. FalkorDB can be deployed on AWS, Azure, and GCP, on-premises for compliance-heavy organizations, locally for developers via Docker, or direct Redis module installation. This allows teams to choose the architecture that matches their security, scalability, and infrastructure needs. Use cases where FalkorDB truly shines. FalkorDB is ideal for building multi-agent systems with shared or isolated memory, GraphRAG retrievers with multi-hop reasoning, knowledge graphs for enterprises, AI-driven recommendation systems, long-term conversational memory for chatbots, context-aware workflow automation, graph-based search engines. Anywhere relationships matter, FalkorDB delivers better results than vector-only databases. GitHub community. If you want to support open source innovation in graph databases and help FalkorDB reach even more developers, make sure to check out the link in the description. Head over to the FalkorDB GitHub repository and give it a star. It's one of the best ways to support the project, boost visibility, and help more developers discover powerful graph-based AI infrastructure. If you're building anything in AI that needs memory, reasoning, or knowledge representation, FalkorDB is the database layer you've been waiting for.